Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Q15 smartwatch, and as you can see here, it features Bluetooth calling, and at the same time it supports SMS and application notifications. As you can see here, it has support for information reminder, that is the push notifications. So we are going to check on that. We have here, okay, our smartphones, and we'll see if we can receive an SMS notifications, app notifications, as well as the Bluetooth call. So we are going to check on this feature. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, especially on this Q15 smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start. We have here our smartwatch, okay, and of course we are already paired with a support app, HRY Fine Support App, or they also call it Harry Fine app. So as you can see here, we have some settings here. Let's check first with our message reminder. Okay, seems like everything is okay. As you can see here, all activated. So let's start and let's see if we can receive a message. So we have here our other smartphone. So let's send a message on the smartphone and we'll see the notifications here. Okay, so smart watch. Okay, this is our first time to test the wearable when it comes to Bluetooth call and messaging. Okay, so we have here smartwatch Q15. So let's send a message. Hopefully we still have some credits. Okay, so it was sent. Okay, so we have it here, smartwatch Q15, and as you can see here, we can receive the notifications. So let's see here in the bottom part. Okay, let's see. I guess the only negative thing about this wearable is the screen display. It's not that very responsive. Okay, you have to clean the screen here. Okay, so it will work smoothly. Okay, as you can see here, we have the SMS and you can read the messages. Okay, so let's have another one. Let's have another message, Q15. Okay, let's see if we'll receive. Okay, let's have another message, Q15, and as you can see here, okay, we have at least 2 messages here. Okay, so it works with the SMS messaging. Okay, how about the WhatsApp application? Okay, so let's try. Hello, Q15 from WhatsApp app. Okay, send. Okay, and it has its own icon, as you can see here. Okay, hello, with the caller ID here. Again, let's see. Okay, so different icon, okay, for the notifications here. Okay, so it works, and let's see for the call. Okay, so we have here the notification, incoming voice call. Okay, let's end. Okay, for missed voice calls. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, so far it works. Let's see if we can delete the message here or the notification. Okay, so you can remove, long press. Okay, so it works. So SMS and of course app notification works. Okay, this time let's go to the Bluetooth call. So we have the contacts here. Do we have a contact? Let's see if we automatically. Okay, cannot operate without the phone. So I guess we have to set it here in the Bluetooth section. Okay, so let's go to our Bluetooth section. I think we still have to set it. Okay, it's all activated here as you can see. Anyway, let's verify rarely used devices. Let's see. Okay, I guess we have to add this one. Okay, so tap on it. Pairing. So allow access to your contacts and call history. Pair. Let's see if this is the one that we have to activate. Connected phone audio, media audio used for contact sharing. Seems like we are already paired. Let's see. Okay, another ad. Okay, let's go to our smartwatch contacts. As you can see here, it's now it has a different icon now. So it says please add contacts by the app. Okay, so let's look for that. So it's not available here. Go to the device. Okay, so we have here the phone book. So tap on it. Okay, add, choose. Let's see. Okay, let's pick this one. And okay. Then okay, so let's see if we'll be added to our smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, it is synchronizing the contacts. Let's see. And we have it here. Okay, seems like we are already set. Okay, so let's try. First, let's call this phone. Okay, so we can receive it here in our smartwatch. So let's try contacts. Okay, let's call. Okay, so let's see. Okay, someone is calling. Okay, and call. Let's okay, so far it works. Let's try the other way around. Here on our contacts, let's tap on this one. Okay, dial number. Okay, as you can see here, it is dialing the number. And okay, so it works. For that, let's have another one. Dial the number. Let's see if this thing works. Okay, as I've said, this is the issue with the Q15. Okay, you have to tap on hard just to activate the function. 096961. Okay, wrong. 6961 58399. Okay, so let's call. So here, okay, and now it is dialing the number. Okay, so it works. And okay, let's see the call logs here. So we have here the call records. As you can see, we have the call records. Okay, last one. Let's see another one. Let's call and answer here on the smartwatch. Okay, so someone is calling. Okay, so let's answer. Yes, hello. This is Sam. Hello. This is Q15. Okay, so it works for the Bluetooth call. Just don't forget to add it or pair it again in the Bluetooth section. Okay, so the dial works, contacts works, the message notifications works, and the call log section works. Okay, or maybe there's a delay. Okay, so that's it. Okay, So the Bluetooth call works for the Q15 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, okay, Bluetooth call video demo for the Q15 smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course, we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.